Welcome to the Caliber channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Windows 11 from spying on you. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your Start button, just right click on it, then just go to Settings. From here, just on the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security. Now, as you all know, Microsoft collects a lot of data, and they use that data to improve your experience. But if you don't want Microsoft to collect all that data on you, then what you need to do is just follow me. Now, at first, just go to General, and in here, you can just disable every single one of this. Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. Just turn this off, as well as turn every single one of this option off. After that, just go back again. Then just scroll down, go to inking and typing personalization. From here, turn this off as well. Custom inking and typing dictionary. This uses your typing history and handwriting patterns and collects data on it. Just go back, turn this off and go back. Then from here, go to location. You can turn off the location as well. If some apps that you use location, just keep them on for that apps only and turn location off for everything else. After that, just go to camera. Do the same thing for camera. Turn it off, and if some apps use it, just turn on for them only. Then just go to microphone. Turn off your microphone access for the apps, and if some apps use it, for example Skype uses microphone, if Skype uses microphone, keep it on for that specific app and turn it off for all other apps. After that, scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to account info. In here, anyone using this device can choose if their app have access to their account info. This basically steals your name and your photo. You can turn this off as well, then it will not have access to your account information. And that's basically it. If from the list you think anything else you should turn off, just go inside this. For example, you can turn off contacts if you want. If you don't want them to get access of your contacts, just turn this off as well. And that is how to stop Windows 11 from spying on you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.